You wake up in the morning and immediately reach for your phone to see if you missed a text or an important update. But instead of putting it down, you end up scrolling endlessly. When you finally realize how much time has passed, you get out of the bed to sit down and study your work, but your mind won't focus. So you procrastinate, pick up your phone again, and the cycle continues. Does that sound familiar? You are not lazy. Your brain's reward system is just hijacked. In this video, you will learn how to reset your dopamine baseline and rebuild your attention span in just 7 days. And no, I'm not going to tell you to completely lock your phone in a suitcase. Instead, you will learn how to use it in a way that serves you rather than harms you. Before we talk about fixing dopamine, I want you to step back and be completely honest with yourself. Think about the goals you set at the beginning of this year, the skills you wanted to build, the physique you wanted to build, the marks you wanted to score, the person you promised yourself you would become. How many of those dreams are sitting on pause? Not because you lack potential, but because your attention span was traded away 15 seconds at a time. The scariest part is not just wasted time, it's watching weeks and months slip through your fingers while you sit there like a spectator in your own life. You know you are capable of so much more, but every time you try to build a better future, your brain begs for a quick escape. If you don't take control of this now, it will be years of missed opportunities. You owe to your future self to stop letting a screen control your potential. Understanding dopamine. When most people hear the word dopamine, they think of pleasure, but that's not entirely what it is. Think of dopamine as motivation and drive. When you have healthy baseline levels of dopamine, you are motivated. You have the desire to complete the task you are supposed to do. How dopamine truly works. To fix your focus, you need to understand how dopamine works in your brain. Imagine you have normal baseline levels of dopamine when you start scrolling through social media, watching shorts, or doing any other dopamine spiking activity. Your dopamine spikes way above that baseline. But here's the catch. After every major spike, your dopamine levels drop below where you originally started. Now your baseline is lower than normal. You feel bored, sluggish, unmotivated, which triggers the urge to scroll again. This cycle is what actually destroys your attention span. The 7-day dopamine detox protocol. To fix this baseline in 7 days, you don't need an extreme lifestyle. You just need 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, protect the first 60 minutes of your day. Stop checking your phone immediately after waking up. When you check your phone the second you open your eyes, you trigger a massive dopamine spike before your feet even hit the ground, setting the baseline low for the entire day. The actionable step is keep your phone in another room or out of reach overnight. Spend the first hour of your day waking up, hydrating, or getting ready for work without staring at the screen. Rule number 2, delay high dopamine rewards until after high effort work. You have to train your brain that dopamine is earned through high effort work and it is not given for free. When you have that mindset, you will understand that you have to first finish this task and after that you will be able to perform this task. The actionable step here is do your hardest study or work before you open social media, YouTube, or even gaming. Rule number 3, embrace short moments of boredom. Your attention span breaks because every time you feel 30 seconds of boredom, you instantly pick up your phone. You never sit idle. The actionable step is practice sitting through short moments of downtime without stimulation. Let your brain rest without reaching for a screen. I want to be completely honest with you. Even if you do everything in this video perfectly for 7 days, your dopamine baseline won't be 100% cured. Years of constant stimulation won't fully reset in just 1 week. But if you commit to these 3 rules for 7 days, you will notice a massive, undeniable improvement in your focus, energy, and drive. Once your dopamine baseline is reset, the next step is structuring your day so you can lock in deep focus before noon. Click the video on the screen to watch the full time blocking system. I am Anzar, and every day I am working to become the best version of myself. If you're on the same path, hit subscribe so we can build these habits together. I'll see you in the next video.